What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arcway, a new direction of a modern man. In today's video, I'm basically going to be style breaking down Daniel Kaluuya's style. So if you guys heard of Daniel Kaluuya, he was in Black Panther, he was in Queen and Slim, he was in Get Out. So he was pretty iconic, man. If you guys are inspired by his style, I'm going to show you guys 3 characteristics that you guys can apply from his style to emphasize your game. Let's go. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe at the bottom down below. Hit the subscribe button right there. Also, hit the big thumbs up so more people see this video, and let's get right into it. And so some key things I want to talk about for Daniel Kaluuya's style is that colors really work well with dark skin. It really makes your skin pop, at the same time your outfit look good. So Daniel actually wears a lot of colors within his own outfit. You can see him in his red whole suit, or I think with some brown loafers or some shoes right there, some Oxfords. So that's a really nice style. Having colors actually has a good contrast when it comes down to your skin tone. So with dark skin, it's better to have contrast when it comes down to colors. Even with myself, I usually contrast things. So it's either my pants or my top. I'm always contrasting because it works with dark skin, and it's another way to make it emphasize. So use your skin tone to your advantage. Everyone's skin tone has an advantage what you can do with certain clothing, but there's no limits to this stuff too. So go ahead and wear whatever you want. I kind of wear colors when it comes down to my sneaker game. Like my sneaker game is going to be crazy. So one thing I do want you guys to check out is check out the Arcway Instagram, because I'll be posting content on a daily basis. What you'll be seeing is from anything from fashion to style to culture to art. Anything that really inspires Arcway as a brand, you guys will just see it from there, and then that way you guys can pick up what you guys like most about it and then apply it to your own style, your own life, your own culture, your own fashion. But when it comes down to bright colors, I will typically stick to neutral tones. That's where I kind of lay, like the grays, the blacks, the olives, those type of tones usually. But when it comes down to my shoes, that's gonna have like the most self-expression from me. So it's a personal choice, personal style, but you find ways to adapt and find ways to put in your emphasis of color into your style. So if you're looking to enhance your style like Daniel Kaluuya, get into some colors. The next thing I noticed with Daniel Kaluuya, what he doesn't shy away from is actually patterns, which is a really good thing. So with patterns, it adds a little conversation, adds a little texture to your look, adds a little mystery. It depends on how you put it. So he's wearing it with some trousers, tucked in pair of pants. So it looks like he's on a vacation or he's coming back from Italy. But that's the type of vibe you're getting from someone who's wearing a patterned shirt, tucked in, trousers, looking good, looking clean. Patterned shirts or designer shirts are kind of for those vibes where you're kind of enjoying the life outside, you know, yacht music, yacht life, boat life. So one thing I'll just say is always express yourself with patterned shirts. It's always a good go-to, especially in the springtime, summertime. It always looks good with a pair of trousers. Looks good with a pair of chinos, shorts as well. So don't be shy from wearing patterns, but also I emphasize to actually purchase more patterns. What I can do for you guys, I'll outsource some locations where you guys can purchase your own patterns. For example, Urban Outfitters, they have a lot of patterned shirts. I'll find some places around online and I'll just link them for you guys. But that being said, looking to get into more patterns, especially long sleeves, short sleeves, even when it comes down to like your jackets as well, get into some patterns. It adds a little character, it adds a little bit of pizzazz to your style overall. So the last thing I like about Daniel is that he has the modern stamp. So there is gentlemen on my YouTube channel that I style break down that has the modern stamp, and Daniel is one of them. So what I mean by that is he's modern in the sense he can wear a lot of different things. He knows what is going on in today's culture. So he wears his pants a little slim. He wears some Chelseas. He's not afraid of color. So it's the modern sense of being able to wear anything in this generation and time and looking good in it. So I applaud Daniel for definitely having that modern swag, man. Has a modern look. So yet again, if you guys love this video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe down to the channel for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, if you guys want to see me break down anyone else's style, from public figures to celebrities, just let me know. I'll go through all the comments, check them out, make a video on them just for you guys. So yet again, guys, thank you guys for checking out Arcway, a new direction of a modern man. My name is Mr. Lou, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.